Hi students, have a good day to all of you. Today we are going to learn about the structure of chloroplast. Chloroplasts are special membrane-bound structures which are mainly present in mesophyll cells of leaves. And each mesophyll cell may contain around 40 to 100 chloroplasts. Where do we can identify the mesophyll cells? If you observe the transverse section of leaf, so in the transverse section of leaf, if you observe, this is the upper epidermis and this is the lower epidermis, and middle this is vascular bundle, and remaining the tissue which is present here, it is known as mesophyll tissue. Let us see the 3D picture of the same transverse section of leaf. So this yellow color layer is upper epidermis and below this is lower epidermis. And in the middle, if you observe, this is the vascular bundle mainly meant for the transportation of food and water. And coming to the green colored structures which are present in between upper epidermis and lower epidermis are known as mesophyll tissue. Again, it is differentiated into palisade mesophyll and spongy mesophyll. It is also called as palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma. If you observe these palisade parenchymatic cells, these are cylindrical in structure and are arranged without any intercellular spaces. Coming to the spongy parenchyma, these are irregular in shape and are arranged with more intercellular spaces. If you observe these palisade and spongy parenchyma, small black color dots are present inside. These are nothing but chloroplast. These chloroplast gives green color to the palisade and spongy parenchyma. Now let us see the structure of chloroplast. The chloroplast contain majorly three membranes. The first membrane is known as outer membrane and the second one is inner membrane. If you observe, the third membrane forms stalked sac-like structures which are known as thylakoid. If you observe here, small coin-like structures are present. Each coin-like structure is known as thylakoid and these are arranged one above the other. The total stock of thylakoids together known as granum. So this one is one granum and this is another granum and this is another granum. Like that, total in plural we call it as a grana and singularly we call it as a granum. And each grana are interconnected with another grana and the fluid present in between this granum is called stroma. So the intermediary fluid filled structure is known as stroma and this is the structure of chloroplast. Once again, chloroplast contains three membranes and the third membrane forms a stalked sac-like structure called thylakoids and these thylakoids arranged one above the other and form granum. The intermediary fluid filled portion is called as stroma. Now, grana is believed to be a site for trapping of solar energy, so light reactions occurs in grana. And stroma is believed to be site for enzymatic reactions, so dark reactions occurs in stroma. These chloroplasts are green in color because of the presence of a pigment known as chlorophyll. So we know that the mechanism of photosynthesis majorly occur in two steps. One is light reaction and another one is dark reaction. So light reactions are believed to be occur in grana, whereas the dark reactions are believed to be occur in stroma. Why the light reactions occur in grana means, so we know that grana is a stalked sac of thylakoids. So inside the thylakoid we have a pigment known as chlorophyll. This chlorophyll has the capacity to trap the energy from the sunlight. So that's why the light reactions occurs in the grana. Coming to the stroma, stroma is a site for enzymatic reactions where a number of enzymes are present which helpful for the reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates like sugar. So that's why stroma is the site for dark reaction. Next, let us see a few points regarding chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a photosynthetic pigment able to capture the sunlight during photosynthesis. Coming to its structure, it contains one atom of magnesium and its structure is similar to that of the heme of hemoglobin. If you observe the structure of heme, we have iron. Coming to the chlorophyll, here the atom present is magnesium. Two major kinds of chlorophyll pigments are associated with thylakoid membranes. They are chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Chlorophyll A is blue-green in color. Coming to the chlorophyll B is yellow-green in color. So around 250 to 400 pigment molecules are grouped and formed as light harvesting complex or photosynthetic unit in each granum. Means in each granum nearly 250 to 400 chlorophyll pigment molecules are present and together they formed as light harvesting complex, otherwise known as photosynthetic unit. So such innumerable units function together in chloroplasts of green plants in the process of photosynthesis. Now let us match the following. So grana, match the column 1 with column 2. Grana, option 8, light reaction. So grana is the site for light reaction. Stroma, option 7. So stroma is the site for dark reaction. Chlorophyll A, fifth option, it is blue-green in color. Coming to the chlorophyll B, 6. Option 6, yellow-green in color. Hemoglobin, option 3, the atom present in a heme is iron. Chlorophyll 2, okay, magnesium. The atom present in chlorophyll is magnesium. Mesophyll tissue, option 1, palisade and spongy parenchyma. LHC, option 4, light harvesting complex, otherwise known as photosynthetic unit. Okay, good luck, do the best.